This is Steven from Airsoft Battles 101. We have our loadout here, and we're going to show you what we're doing with this.
Hello, everybody.
And that is Matt.
Okay, so starting off, we have a... I don't know if you can see it, but it says Colt MK4 Series 9-80 pistol that takes a 14-round mag and has 220 SPF. FPS. Wow, I feel stupid now. Then we have a Stinger P311 caliber 9. Wow.
6mm.
Caliber 6mm BBs. And it has 235 SPS and shoots a 12 round mag right here. And then, and it takes, never mind. And then right here we have a, what type is this? I can't see it.
It's the same as this
one. It's same as this one. Yeah.
M19 style, M1911 style weapon with tactical rail.
Yep.
12
also
round
takes
mag.
12 round mag. Right here.
Of course,
and then up here we have the ammunition we use. This is just a little speed reloader thing we have. And then first type, 0.20 gram 6mm biodegradable premium grade airsoft pellets. Bonus zombie targets included. Yeah, we kind of blew those. We kind of like annihilated those on a box using one of the guns.
We'll post a picture of them later.
Yeah. And then next we have premium ammo. Oh, that's little Spanish that I can't really read. 0.12 grams.
It's a little lighter than the other ones. Makes a big difference.
And then over here we have just cheaper. It kind of automatically zoomed in. I'm zooming out. Over here on this one we have these yellow ones that are also 0.12 grams, and then I just kind of put electrical tape around the thing so I can't really read out everything to you. And then next we have a red dot sight.
Works amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if you can see it through the camera.
Okay, so you turn
it on.
Actually,
11.
No.
Oh, wrong way.
So.
Yep. See.
Works absolutely great. Awesome sight.
There you go. We do recommend getting one of these. It's very helpful. Where'd you buy it from?
Walmart, actually. For
Walmart.
like $32.
Bought from Walmart for $30-some.
Really not a bad scope at all.
And next we have a Crossman pistol case or pistol holster that connects to your belt or whatever else you have. Don't know what else you'd have if you don't have a belt. Then here we have a tactical M4 Viper assault rifle that is hold on. What caliber is it?
Oh, it's a 6mm.
That's a 6mm and has a caliber of
FPS is 360.
or the FPS is 360. It has then right here it's got a 300 round metal magazine. Nice adjustable stock and all. Nice barrel.
Battery powered.
Battery powered. It's got a full auto setting, if you can see. Then semi.
14-inch barrel.
And then safe. 14-inch barrel, as he said. Then right here we have another. We don't know exactly how many, so we're just going to say 300.
Plastic mag.
Plastic mag. We don't really feel like counting. And here, what type of gun is this?
Oh, it's an M4 style.
Yeah, it's an M4. This is bolt action. Well, not really bolt action. It's pump action. Pump.
No.
or whatever.
Spring.
Spring, yeah, spring. With
Adjustable stock.
another adjustable stock. About,
Rail interface system.
yeah, rail interface. Would you say like 200 FPS?
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, something like 200. Then right here we have a
grip. Doesn't
yeah,
work
a
too
grip.
well.
Well, it connects.
It'll
Kind
do
of
the
falls
job
off
if
and
you need it
fails,
to.
but it works well enough. And then here we have a
M9 Beretta.
Stinger P301 or M9 Beretta
As
with
I like to call it.
a 14 round magazine. Ooh. Okay. And then over here we have headgear. This would be Steven.
Yeah. My face protection.
Grab the camera. Other camera. And then here we have these, which is what he was wearing when he used the headgear that he's grabbing right now that I'm going to show you. It's just a Action Shot $50 camera, so not the bestest of quality. Action Shot. All this.
Case.
Then we got a nice protective case. Right there.
Lens right there.
With the lens and all that.
Take a beating if you need to.
And then here we have what I was wearing. Goggles, face mask. And then, yeah, that's
That's our loadout.
about it. Oh, computer. Woo.
That's where we make the videos.
Woo. Okay, that's about it. Now, Steven, say bye.
Steven, I'm going to stop the video now, or at least have Matt do it. We'll give you a little clip of what we do in our backyards, and hopefully we'll get actually onto the field in short time, maybe a month, less.
Hopefully.
Bye.
Peace. Backyard.